practice at home. The letter is A. A sounds A. A, A. The letter is B. B, B, ball. The letter is C. C sounds K. K, K. K, K. The letter is D. D sounds D. D, D. D, D. The letter is E. E sounds A. A, A. A, A. The letter is F. F sounds F, F, flower. The letter is G. G sounds G. G, G. G, G. The letter is H. H sounds H, H, hat. H, H. The letter is I. I sounds E. E, E. E, E. The letter is J. J sounds J. J, J. J, J. The letter is K. K sounds K. K, K. K, K. The letter is L. L sounds L. The letter is M. M sounds The letter is N. N sounds The letter is O. O sounds up. O sounds up. The letter is P. P sounds P. P sounds P. P, P. P. The letter is Q. The letter is Q. Q sounds quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. The letter is R. R sounds R. R, R. The letter is S. S sounds snake. The letter is T. T sounds T. T, T. T, T. The letter is U. U sounds The letter is V. V sounds B. B, B. B, B. The letter is W. W sounds W. What? The letter is X. X sounds X sounds The letter is Y. Y sounds Y. 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 The letter is Z. The letter is Z. Z sounds vibration. Zero. Zero. B. Ab. Don't shout. Just listen to my class, okay? Ab. Ab. Act. 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 8P and 8CK also same sound. Act. 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 Don't tell add. Just not add. 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 Not add. 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 Ask. 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 Add. 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 All. Am. சவுண்ட் வெளியில வரக்கூடாது. ஆர் This is also ow. Ow. X. At. 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 Y. No, it is not I. It is A. Here it is a different. It is A. A. Y. But it is not I. It is A. A. Is. As. Is it clear? Add. All. Am. And. Ap. Aqua. All. As. At. Am. At. Am. At. Al. Am. And. Ap. Aqua. Or. At. Av. Clear? I'll give you one word for app. What is the sound? This one? Ab. Cab. Ab. For example, this one. Band. Clear? Like this, we can make a lot of words and we can read very easily. Okay? Clear? Thank you. Again, we are going to see another blend with the letter E. E sounds E sounds A. B sounds B. A B. நான் சொல்றதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொல்றீங்களா அதே செஞ்சு? A B M A K Ek A D Ed A F F A G Egg A H A A J Edge A K Ek. Here also A K. C ஓட வந்தாலும் K ஓட வந்தாலும் CK ஓட வந்தாலும் Ek. A K Ek. This also A K Ek. A K Ek. Okay. A Il L L A Im M M A In N N A P F F F A Q. என்ன வரும்? இந்த இடத்துல மட்டும் EQ அப்படின்னு வராது. Equa 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 Equal Equality அப்படின்னு எல்லாம் வருதுல. Equality equalனு வருதா? இல்ல. EQ together makes the sound Equa Equa Equa. A Ir Er 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 erன்னு கேட்க கூடாது. Er Er A is S S S A H H H H A V M M A V எவ்வாவா என்ன வரும்? ஏ வா எவ்வான்னு வருமா? நிறைய பேர் எனக்கு வீடியோ அனுப்பல அப்படிதான் போட்டிருந்தீங்க. இட்ஸ் நாட் எவ்வா, இட் இஸ் யூ. ஏ வா together makes a sound that is you. That is you. A X A X X X A Y A Y Yயா. நான் என்ன சொன்னாலும் சொல்லிடுவியா? A Y A A A Y A. So VC blend with A என்ன படிச்சோம்? AY A. Here to EY A. Clear? A is S S S. Repeat again. Ed 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 Edge Edge Ed L M N Ed Equa Equa L S H H M U. It is not Iva or Eva, it is U. X A S. Clear?